Okay, so in this video we're going to work out 1 minus x over 2 times 2 minus 3x to the power 6 to the first three terms. So this is what we're interested in. Now in the previous video we did all these calculations. Follow the link down on the bottom and you see how we got to this. So that was this to the first three terms. This video, all we're interested in this. So 1 minus x over 2 times 2 minus 3x to the 6, first three terms. All we're going to do is multiply this by this. So if I just write here 1 minus x over 2 times this. So now what we're going to do is FOIL this out. So if we take each one of these terms one at a time and multiply it by 1 minus x over 2, that will give us our solution. So 64, 1 minus x over 2, that's the first one. Then minus 576x, 1 minus x over 2, and then 2160x squared, 1 minus x over 2. Okay, so now we're just going to FOIL out each individual one and see where we get. 64 times 1, that's pretty straightforward, that's 64. 64 times minus x over 2, so that's 64x over 2, which gives us minus 32x. That's that taken care of. Now we're on this one, 576x times 1, that's pretty straightforward. And 576x times minus x over 2, so we need to divide this by 2, and it's minus times minus, so it's plus 288 x times x, which is squared. So that takes care of that one now. Next one, 2160x squared times these two. So 2160x squared times 1, that's pretty straightforward. And then plus and a minus, so it's going to be a minus. 2160 divided by 2 is 1080. And then x squared times x, x cubed. Just fitted that in. Okay, so now we're just going to clean this up, match up the x squareds with the x's, work out what they are. This is on its own, this is on its own. That should give us our answer. So 64 minus 32x minus 576x. So that gives us minus 608x. 288x squared plus 2160x squared. So add those together, we get 2448. And then just put this one in on its own, minus 1080x cubed. Okay, there is our answer.